I'm Dan Weedin. I'm a nationally recognized insurance consultant, and today we're going to talk about what's the average cost of auto insurance. You know, that's a really tricky question because it could be all over the board, and it's most affected by a few factors. Factor number one, where do you live? If you live in the city versus if you live in a rural part of the state or of the country, that's going to make a big difference because obviously if you're in the city, you have more cars around you, the chances of becoming involved in an accident are greater. And so that's going to deeply affect the average cost, the cost of your insurance. In addition, how far you drive to work. Somebody driving 1 mile does not have the same amount of exposure to risk to an accident as somebody who's driving 17, 18, 19 miles a day, both one way, to work. They're going to have a greater risk, so their insurance cost is going to be higher. The value of the vehicle makes a big difference. If you have a 1972 Datsun pickup truck or if you have a 2011 Buick, there's a big difference, or a Mercedes. You're going to pay a lot more for that vehicle because of the value of the vehicle. The other thing that makes a huge difference on your rate is your driving history. If you have no accidents, no tickets, squeaky clean for 3 years, you're going to be paying way less auto insurance than somebody who has maybe picked up 2 or 3 tickets, because the statistics show, those actuaries, the ones with the green visors, they tell us if you pick up a couple speeding tickets, you're 65% more likely to be involved in an accident. So that has a huge part, that plays a huge part in your auto insurance. So really, to say what's the average cost of insurance, it's almost impossible to do. It's much easier in a state-by-state basis or even in a regional basis. But the factors that will most impact your auto insurance rates individually, which is probably most important for you, is where you live, you know, from the state to whether you're city or rural, what your driving record is, and what kind of vehicle you have. My name is Dan Weedin. Thanks for watching.